my office. There was in 2008 recession time, so end of the 2008 and early stages of 2009. When I was working in America, then because of the recession, many people are getting laid off from the IT field. Then, but the work is still there. So a lot of work is there. They gave me a lot of 13 projects I was working on, and I asked these many projects I am working. I need more people. Then they said clearly, no, we cannot give more people. In USA you will not get. But if you want more people, you can take it in India, because India means cost cutting. Then in India, now usually I'm team leader for I'm giving the work for the 5 people in India usually, and I'm getting the work done by them and reporting it to the client. But those 4 months period, 25 people under me are reporting in India. I used to take the requirements from the clients from morning to evening, and all night I am communicating and getting the work done, and also reviewing from all the work, making sure all the right things are there without errors. So quality check, everything. I need to explain a lot because the newly joined all the people. So I need to explain a lot. Many things are there all night. So only I used to have time for sleeping and relaxation for only 2 hours time, 6 to 8 o'clock morning till 8 to 8:30. I used to get ready and I start to the office and reach office by before 9 o'clock. 9 to it would be night 12 o'clock or 2 o'clock by the time I reach home. And after coming home, I used to open my laptop again to work with my offshore team Hyderabad, and I used to give them work and get the things done by them from up to 6 o'clock. 6 to 8 o'clock I only have those 2 hours. Those 2 hours completely I sit and relax and meditate. And in those 2 hours, the moment I sit, abundant of cosmic energy, lot of balance, everything happens. Immediately the moment I sit, lot of depth I am going inside, lot of deep meditation, deep sleep plus awareness, deeper than the deep sleep. Like that, complete those 2 hours are very much intensified. Lot of energy is receiving those 2 hours. Then I'm completely healthy, completely happy, energetic, lot of positive, optimistic outlook. I'm dealing so much, a lot of work. One project is around $30 million. Earlier, with one project I'm working, I'm too much cautious. If any mistake happens, how it will be. Too much like stress and tension was there earlier, but when I'm working like this for only 2 hours, no tension, no stress. Everything is somehow that confidence came. Nothing will happen. If anything happens, we'll manage, we'll see. We can manage all those things. That kind of a confidence came. And so I saw a complete shift in my aura and self-confidence.